The two things that have never really been done before is first our ability to freeze cat sperm with vitrification and produce fertilized eggs. And we did that with some of our preliminary work. But then to take that vitrified sperm and do artificial insemination and produce live kittens. And except for human babies, there have been no other animals produced with vitrified sperm. Well, sperm vitrification is a different way to cryopreserve semen. And basically involves ultra-rapid freezing of the semen sample. And the idea is that you remove most of the water from the sperm cell, and then by cooling it very, very rapidly, you prevent the water in the sample from freezing at all. So you don't get the ice crystals that can damage the sperm sample. And so basically it makes it a lot simpler and easier for us to freeze semen. It doesn't involve a lot of expensive equipment like we typically use, and it doesn't require a lot of expertise to process and freeze the semen. Well, the primary advantage is it really expands our ability to freeze semen from endangered cat species throughout the world and have other people collect and freeze semen for us. Because right now, if we want to collect a sample, say from a tiger, we have to go to that institution, collect the semen, process it, take equipment with us to freeze that sample. And so kind of the dream is that we'll have the veterinarians at those institutions be able to freeze the samples themselves and then just ship the frozen semen back to us. One of the keys to getting the artificial insemination to work is we developed a technique to do oviductal artificial insemination in cats. So we can take vitrified sperm, which is frozen in very low numbers, and put it into the oviduct and still get fertilization and produce kittens. Yeah, with oviductal AI, we can use very low sperm numbers. It's not like doing a conventional AI procedure. Is that typically you need a lot of sperm to produce babies with AI. But with oviductal AI, we can use very low sperm numbers, sperm that's been vitrified, and produce offspring. So we have done some preliminary studies with semen from ocelots and fishing cats. These are two endangered cat species. And it appears that vitrification works just as effectively with those species as it does with domestic cats. We haven't tried to produce any offspring yet with that vitrified sperm, but we have been able to fertilize oocytes in vitro using ocelot and fishing cat sperm that had been vitrified. And that's why we use the domestic cat as a model in the first place, to see if this is even feasible to do. And then if we can do it in the domestic cat, the idea is then we can apply it to some of these smaller endangered cats and then take it from there.